How to make a PB test in Inmarsat GRC model JUE87. So first click Alt G. Then after that one you can go to setup. Then after that one go to performance completed. This one is for JMDSS requirements also, and also for the company procedures, and we will record it in the JMDSS logbook what will be the result of the PB test. So if you can see, already completed PB test. So this one just F10. Then if you can see, everything is okay and all is pass. First attempt test okay, then pass. So it means it's our PB test is completed. It's okay. So for one thing, if you forgot to print out, you can go to Alt S. Then after that one, go to performance test result. Then this one you can print out also. That's all for this PB test.